guys, welcome back to another video. And today I have the crook boss and shotgunner versus the good old minigunner. And I love using the minigunner because it's fun and it's extremely good actually. So the shotgunner and the crook boss are still pretty good too, so that's why I want to see who can win this one. Alright. Nice. Now, you have more skins for the crook boss, but I think the black one looks better. I think I got the red and blue. I think are the ones I got. I think it's red and blue that I got. But I think the black one just looks more normal and better, you know? Alright, both of them are on level 2? Yep. So guys, I did win with just minigunners. I think on the video that I made of Can I Win with Just Minigunners? I think I did win on that one. But, who knows? Maybe, wait, did I even post that video? There's a lot of videos I record, but I don't post. I'll get drum out. Didn't really get this guy to level 3. 7 damage, insane. You know, it only takes a few level 1 shotgunners to take down a normal boss. I did it before. In the Can I Win with Just Shotgunners, right? Or was it, what level were they on? I don't know. Oops. Anyway. Nice. We'll get into that. I'm trying to close that there. Okay. See, I feel like crook boss and shotgunner are a good combo. And I do know I can only place limited. What's the limit for shotgunner? I know, like, 6 is the limit for crook boss. I don't know if there is a limit for shotgunner then. Until, of course, it hits the people placed limit or whatever. But I think, or is that not a thing for shotgunner? I don't know, but crook boss is 6, so. They're good, amazing actually, team. Okay, now I'm gonna get everything to level 3 so everything's caught up. And that's where everything seems to be getting better at. Yeah, usually I start in the circles, but this time I'm starting in the path. That's a little bit different. I usually start in circles is because they go around through here and then they come back so they can shoot even more. But I just decided not to do that this time, so. But it's going good so far. Jeez. Another thing that's good about Shotgunner has such a powerful blast. Like, it can take multiple zombies out with just one shot. It's insane. Alright, all on the same level. Jeez. Those normal bosses just come out and they got wrecked. Ooh. Got him. Alright. We're gonna get a little bit of the backup circle. By a little bit, I mean, I'm gonna flood the whole circle with shotgunners. Oh, this looks like decent damage right here. Once I get more money, I can. Oh, molten enemies. Molten enemies seem to be tough for the minigunner too. Minigunner just seems to struggle on the molten enemies. Like, unless it's like level 4 or maxed out, it seems like it struggles a little bit. Well, they'll kill it when it gets back closer to them. Oh, I was just about to place a commander in here. No. Like, I just don't feel like I should use like other things for this. Like, people use commanders when they do like tower battles. Like when they try to see what tower is better. But with the commander, it's just gonna boost it up. So you're never gonna really get the real answer. Unless you're talking about it with commander. Like when they do challenges like that. For example, 2 accelerators versus 5 turrets. And then they just use commanders and farms and DJs and stuff. But I mean, it's fine, but I just don't do that. I just use the normal towers. Fine if you do that. Otherwise, but I just use the towers, which I do got every single tower in the shop besides accelerator. But I only have like 400 something gems from in hardcore mode, and I don't think I'm gonna get there soon. So that's gonna take a long time. But accelerator's worth it, I guess. You know, you gotta get, let's make sure all the outsides have globes on. That's how we know they're upgraded. Yeah. I think that was the last guy. Oh, jeez. Oof. That's gonna be a nightmare. Okay, here we go. Finally, he has bodyguards. That's good. Here comes one now. Guys, I'm gonna pause this and like sum up to like when it looks bad for me because I can't record like a 40-minute video. It won't fit. My thing said I can only record like 24 minutes or 24 or something like that. Well, then I deleted stuff, so then I think it went up to like 30 or something. But still, guys, I'll see you guys when it gets to more danger. Or I could speed it up, but I don't know how. Well, I don't have an editing app thing. This has a little editing on it, but it doesn't let me say, oh my gosh, I don't got hit in the text and I need to fix that. But it doesn't let me save it because there's usually never enough space. So I can't speed it up, but I'll see you guys in a second. It was just looking bad. The first wave of shot got like right here and then killed. Now it's already kind of looking bad. So yeah, by the way, guys, I upgraded all of these dudes, so they got hidden detection now. Also, I upgraded this dude. I upgraded this dude. So yeah. Oh, one shot. Kind of wondering what was left. Okay. Hold up, guys. I gotta go do something quick. I gotta go to the bathroom. Hold on. Okay, guys, just got back. What's happening? Oh. Man, that does not look good for them. Okay. Who's next to that? Yeah, he looks, pretty cool. Wait, we're killing them off? Wait, guys, comment down below who you think is gonna win. Should have did that at the start of the video. If you didn't, then you choose. No. I really think it's going to minigunner here. These guys are struggling on shot. And, almost max this man out. I'm gonna get the strong crooks. Cause that's gonna help them out major. Nice. I used to, I used to always lose to this man. Me and my brother, the one that played for my channel one time, and then I played Natural Disaster Survivor with, well, me and him teamed up quite a few times, and we lost to the speedy boss. That's how like not good we were at the time. That was months ago, I think, though. We've improved from that, we'll say. Yeah, we don't lose to the speedy boss all the time now. You hardly do. I don't even know if we do anymore. Oh, watch out, dude. You're getting wrecked. Ooh. Okay. It's a sacrifice I was wanting to make. Alright. So here we go. Now we're gonna have some more coming. Oh gosh. Yeah, just stand up there with your little, what is that, Uzi? I think that's a, hold on, let me see. I think that's a Uzi. Yeah, stand up with your little Uzi and just get ran over by a speeder boss that even if you weren't there, would have died anyway. So you might as well have not been there. Let's do that. Man, this is a lot of money. I mean, it's a lot of shotgunners, but I mean, still, it's kind of a lot. So what's the difference? Now they'll have the emo. See, there's always a difference that you'll be able to tell if they're upgraded to that level or not. Or you could just, I mean, like, do this, but that's not fun, you know? Alright, after you guys want it, like, gets farther in, and they might actually die right here. Oh my gosh, I should have recorded that. Because I was over here upgrading these guys and putting more crook bosses down. Look, see? Here's proof. I was upgrading these guys and putting them down. And then I see, when I turn away, I see Speedy Butts running into the base. And then I see him get killed, and then I run over here. And these guys walk right out the base. So I'm assuming they shot it. But, like, I didn't see it happen fully. It was kind of scary. I actually thought they would die right there. But, no, it's fine. Man, that was close though. Okay, guys, here we go. We have the mystery summoner. So, yeah, let's all just ignore that there. Yeah, I think we're dead right there. Yeah, I think we're dead right here. Shotgun and crooks are dead right here. Oh, snap. Ooh, snappers. Alright, well, they got one last chance. They shoot at him, and they shoot at him. Well, they shoot at him more times than them, but I mean, like, okay, here we go. Alright, they're probably gonna finish the first one off. Yep, but they couldn't finish them off. Oh, so close. Jeez. Wait, hold on, they might knock him down, actually. Hold on. Oh, they're still alive. Oh my gosh. They're on 26 HP, but hey, they're still alive. It's not, no, they're alive. Okay, they're not. Okay, they're not down. Oh, snap. Oh, yeah, I forgot my dances. Yeah. You're the OG one I got? Also, I don't know when I get this one. Anyway. Smoke. This was the first one I've ever... This was the first one I've ever got. Guess you can't even hear the music over all that shooting. Anyway, and then I got... No, and then I got this. Then I got this. I think then I got this. Then I got this for no reason. I don't even know why I got it. I don't even like it. Anyway. This. Oh, what's happening down there? Oh, the same mystery dude, isn't it? Or did he get killed? No, he's turning. It's a different one. I'm just kicking him in the back. Hold on, hold on. I'm almost kicking him in the head. In the back. Anyway. I think this was my third dance I got, yeah. Anyway, we're getting off track. We're supposed to be focusing on this. Doesn't these, mystery bosses look more purple? They kinda do. Oh, well. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. I had this much money? Oh, I feel stupid. Oh, no, 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 you guys are gonna say this is rigged. You guys are gonna say this is rigged, but I didn't even know I had that much money, okay? I know, if Shotgunner and Quick Boss lose, you guys are gonna say I rigged it by that. I did not mean to do that. I was too focused on my emotes that I did not even know. But guess what else? Shotgunner and Quick Boss are like my second favorite trips to use. Well, I really like. I like using turret. I like using military base. I don't like military base as much, so. Yeah, I'd say Shotgunner and Quick Boss are like my second favorite to use troops. Yeah. If you guys win this round, and well, they might make it to the boss. I think they are. So, I'll see you guys when I get to the boss. Dude, this man already stunned them 2 times. Like, right there, and like, right there. Dude, this man's insane. Like, I should have recorded that part, but and that was the second time I did that. Now my name's been fine now. Dude, he's summoning and stunning like crazy. He's rigging it actually. This is insane. Watch him, I bet he's only gonna summon and stun 1 time to the minigunners. See? See? And then he stuns again. I'll get back to this when it's closer actually. I have set round to target the strongest. Dude, he summoned like 4 times. At least like 4 times since I've been paused on this video. That's how I had to go do, well, I didn't have to go do something, but I went out my room for a second. And then I come back, and then I think he just got back from a stun when I got back. Yo, you guys saw that. He just summoned, when I paused the video, he just summoned, and then he summoned again. Yeah, it's over for him. Oh my. I just, man, I'm blown away. Yeah, and then stun on top of that. You gone mad, man. 14,000 health. Come on. Why did he do that at the end? That was too much, man. That was just, you gone way too far. Well, this guy's gonna screw it up. Oh, this guy's done. Oh, I don't know why I wasn't placing anymore, actually. Wait, 40, knock that down, because here we go to the mini guys. So we decided to give the minigunner a green scout teammate because, we picked a harder map for him. Since, he's the minigunner. And he's not all that great, but he's pretty good. And I decided, we'll just make it even harder for the minigunner by giving him a harder map, so might as well give him a little bit of help, Why is it specifically Green Scout? Apparently Green Scout's actually better than a normal Scout, along with Golden Scout. Because all the golden skins are actually better, but anyway. Yeah. So. And yeah, it is actually better than a lot. Ooh, daisy. accidentally clicked, what is it called? Folders? Whatever it is on the side of my phone. Anyway. Oh, it looks like the Roblox logos. Anyway, where is he? Oh, dead. I mean, technically, all the zombies are already dead, but, anyway. Good boy, if they can get in, it's fine. I'm just getting, like, scouts, like, they can probably hold it off until Mini. And because it's Mini's teammate, so I gotta use them. Yeah, I don't know why I brought Turret, but I'm not using that. That would just be an easy win for Mini Turret Scout. But comment down below what matchups you guys want me to do, because I stopped doing the matchups in TDS. One, because I started not to like Roblox as much anymore and TDS, but two, because I didn't know like what to like post on TDS anymore. If you guys actually enjoyed that or not, so you guys can go ahead and comment down below what matchup you guys want me to do, or just to see like if I can win with this certain, you know, troop or something like that. Alright, nice. I know they are not glitched. They do that because they're a green scout. They do work. Trust me. The green scout, I'm level, what is this? 3 and 4? They don't look right, but they work. That's all that matters. Now, I believe the first matchup I ever did was Green Scout and minigunner, but, now they're teaming against other ones. Interesting enough. See, like, they wouldn't be knocking them out if they were like, not working, you know? Like, they're not just standing there, like, they're actually doing damage, see? They may not be doing great damage, but they're doing damage, and that is all that matters. Boom. Bah. Here we go, maxed out, and that is, yes, that's what the Green Scout maxed out looks like, and he does 5 damage, and he looks weird. But it's fine, because he still works, and that's all that matters. Also, I think, when I get a minigun, I'm gonna sell these guys, because in the later game, they're not gonna be that useful. Like, late game, like, I mean, like, Shockers coming out, Slow Boss coming out. I don't think, like the middle and, up, they're not gonna be that useful there. For example, even against the normal boss, see? And they might die to this. Don't worry, guys, don't worry, I got a plan. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Kill him, dude. Wow, dude. Alright, just do as much damage as you can, dude. Then he gets to right here, so he's gonna get into under 60. No, he already did. Man, if I would have had him there a little bit, a little sooner, he would have killed him. Nice, we're gonna sell these guys now. Perfect. Alright. He can take these both out. Yes, he can, by the way, if you were wondering. As in, I had minigunner for months. Okay, like I know everything about the minigunner. Actually, I don't. But yeah, I do though. Not all the upgrades that he gets because I don't pay attention to that. I just upgrade him, knowing that he would get better from the upgrades. Okay, I'm gonna put the minigunner down. You can't even see hidden, and that's what's coming up. And I'm not gonna use the green scout anymore, okay, guys? Let's make that a deal. Like, I'm making it as like hard as possible for the minigunner. Besides making it to fallen and putting him at the polluted wasteland, because then that would be nuclear fallen, and that wouldn't be a fun time. And there's heavy damage. Oh wait, I forgot. He almost killed him. Actually, that's not too bad. Yep. All right, 2 level 3s. The same exact minigun in real life. The it doesn't show right now the exact kind, but I do know the kind. And if I look it up, I forgot it now. But if you look it up on Google, that's the I have on this phone anyway. It shoots like 58 rounds per second. This obviously doesn't, but that would be way too OP, and you would win fallen like insanely. You'd crush fallen, you'd crush hardcore like that. So I understand that, but we fire up to like 58, I think it said, rounds per second. I mean, it would liberate these zombies. It's insane. I think it said it was like $4,000 to shoot it for like 12 seconds. Maybe he said 40 or 4,000 or 10,000 or 20,000. I don't know. I forgot it, but just to shoot it for a few seconds. Boom. Got him. Little loser. Ha ha ha. Yeah, wave spawning. The green scouts didn't help that much, because I would have been in like 64 health. And as you can see, the minigunners are holding on just fine. Plus, I had less money, actually, because when I bought the green scout, they weren't worth as much money as I bought them for. So if anything, I lost money, then actually gained money out of me placing green scouts. And it's fine, because I'm just doing minigunners now. Okay, it's fine. And I did a harder map for minigunners. Because why it's a harder map is I'm tired. Anyway, it's because polluted wastelands, they go around in circles and circles and circles. So you put one guy in one circle, and he's gonna get to shoot him like 2-3 different times, maybe even 4. Like at different times, like when they come around and stuff. So, but here you only get him 1 pass and 2 pass. And if the range is long enough, you get them all through here. But that's still not as much range as, obviously, polluted wasteland would give you if you... Yeah, okay, I don't know what I'm saying, but you know what I'm saying. Alright. And I must max these guys out. Oh, 10 seconds left. Oh. Not a lot of time, is it? This is torture. Let me just shoot the zombies. Oh wait, they got him? I'd assume they did. Yeah. Listen to the sound of him. Hold on. We're here eventually. Dang, shoot. Oh, here it is. Yeah, it's Nerf guns. Because they're toys, so that's why they have Nerf guns. Nerf bullets. Because it's the toy skins. And that's why it sounds like that in Symmetry. I'm just trying to look at the miniguns. Anyway. I'll see you guys when I get to the later game, because my video might, like, randomly stop, and I don't want that to happen. Yeah, guys, I went AFK for a second there. Because my dad got me a McDonald's biscuit. Got us a McDonald's biscuit, so I had to go get it, because it's good. Anyway. So I'm warning you, because now I'm going to sound even stupider. But yeah. So far, they've been handling it good. Whoa. Calm it down, buddy. Holy crap. Well, I probably should have given him the same map, huh? It was because of the map difference, I feel like. So, minigunner ended up losing here. Well, somehow they got past 4 maxed out minigunners and 1 that was almost maxed out. Minigunner must not be as good as I thought, huh? See you guys in the next video. But hold on, let me do something quick. Hold on. Wait. Yeah, so that was kind of actually depressing. But, yeah, I actually believed in the minigunners would still win in, a different map. But they didn't, and that's just how we have to handle it. But I mean, they're still a good trip, though.